Hello, guys, welcome to this new class. Well, the topic today is about places to go in the city, and we're going to learn how to describe those places. Okay, let's start. Here we have useful expressions to give information. For example, you say, it offers, and you mention many things you can see or you can visit in that place. For example, in Barranquilla, you say it offers many places to go. You say the views are beautiful. It's located in, and you give the information about that. You shouldn't miss. So, in order to inform that person that should go to play to this place, to the other place, it's possible to. So what can you do in that place? And you can see there what you can see. For example, if you go to Plaza de la Paz, you can see the cathedral, you can see Portal del Prado, and so on. Let's going to talk about useful expressions positive. So when you talk um, of a place, but in this case you're talking in a good way, positive. So for example, a popular tourist attraction is, let's going to talk about Barranquilla. A popular tourist attraction is Plaza de la Paz. The good thing about this place is, so what do you think is good? It's popular with tourists because it's well known for, it's possible to, it's close to, okay? But this time let's going to talk about negative expressions about that place. So you say it's far away from, far away, that is something that is not close. Let's going to give you examples for let's see. For example, Itza Soledad is far away from Buenavista. Okay, what I don't like about this is, so you say you're going to inform the person that have something negative. The bad thing about it is you shouldn't visit or don't go to because maybe it's dangerous or something. Now, let's going to talk about locations. When you're talking about places, you say on the coast, on the river, and you say the name of the river, for example, on the Magdalena River, on the Orinoco River, and that's it. By the sea, like in the example in here, by the sea. This is the sea, and it's by the sea. Okay? In the north, south, west, or east. Okay? In the mountains, or on a plain. Plain is the opposite to the mountains. They are opposite. In the country, in this example, we're talking about Colombia. So in the country, you can see many cities, and that's it. Now, let's going to talk about adjective you can use to describe the places. For example, when you're talking about peaceful, repeat, peaceful. A peaceful place is the same as a quiet place that is not noisy. So it's peaceful. Like, for example, in the beach, it's peaceful. beautiful, charming, pintoresque. Charming and pintoresque is the same. Hospitable, okay? Like here in Barranquilla, people help you when you need something. Lively, exciting, fascinating. Those are positive adjectives you can use to describe places. Now let's go into see some negative adjective, like boring. That place is boring. It's noisy, the opposite to quiet or peaceful. Unspoiled, that is really crowded and polluted. Okay, polluted, that have many pollution, crowded, that have many people, many. Okay, adjective in general. So to talk about the city in general, you can say that a city is touristic, that is popular. The opposite to popular is unknown. Expensive, the opposite cheap is historic. Okay, like Cartagena, historic. The opposite is contemporary. Ancient, cosmopolitan. Now, let's going to talk about activities you can do in a place. For example, lots of nightlife, like in here in Barranquilla, here there in La Ocho, nightlife. Go sightseeing. Go sightseeing is like where you can go and visit many places. Like for example, in Eje Cafetero, you can go sightseeing, go shopping, go hiking. In the mountains, you can go hiking. You can visit museums. You can visit art galleries. You can take pictures, meet people, go to the beach, go to the river, go to a lake, okay? Or practice sport. Those are activities you can do. Let's going to talk about the areas in the city. For example, downtown. Downtown is the central or lower part of a city. Let's going to talk about the downtown here in Barranquilla is like El Prado, okay, that is downtown. Outskirt, bordering areas, like for example here in Barranquilla we can say like the outskirt from Barranquilla is like Soledad, Malambo, they are bordering areas. Suburbs, a residential part located on the outskirts. So, for example, the suburbs here in Barranquilla, they could be like Puerto Colombia. There are many beautiful houses there, or like Alameda del Rio. Okay, industrial zone, an area for industrial companies, like for example Via 40, Zona Franca. Residential area is where is a place that is suitable for houses, so you will find houses, you will find families there. What is a neighborhood? Where houses are located. Okay, now here we have many buildings we can find in a city, like castle, repeat, castle, cinema, cinema, hospital, hospital, library, library, museum, museum, park, park, restaurant, restaurant, shop, shop, station, station, swimming pool, swimming pool. Okay, and there are many other buildings and places you can find in the city. Okay, that is it for today, guys. Thank you for your time. You're the best. Bye bye, have a nice day.